Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be working on this Chevy Impala Super Sport. I don't know if you saw that video of me fixing that door, that one that this car was damaged on. Let me show you right there. So we're gonna be removing this door, replacing it with the new one that I painted. Let's go. All right, let's just begin. First of all, this is the new door that I painted. It's ready to go, and we're gonna be replacing it. This door, this one had a pretty bad wreck right there. Pretty bad. There you go, guys. So we're gonna be replacing the door. Let's start by removing the door so we can transfer everything from this door to the new one. All right, before we even start removing the door, I'm gonna have to remove this panel and remove it because this one does have electric windows, and I need to remove all this wiring that's here. So I need to disconnect everything from inside. So let's just start removing this so that we can get to the wiring and we can disconnect everything that needs to be disconnected. Then we can start removing that door. Another thing, guys, that I want to mention is that we're going to be painting this car soon. This car has a bunch of blemishes actually, that the customer wants it perfect, so we're going to repaint it. I don't know if you can tell, it has a bunch of little bubbles that are coming up. This car is a California car, so I don't know if they painted it over there, but we're gonna work with it and we're gonna do it right. It's gonna be going almost the same color, but a little bit more blue, a little bit lighter, but that's gonna be in a different video, in a different time. Right now he just wants this door to be replaced so that we can so that he can continue using the car. Here we go, guys. The panel is off. It's super straightforward to remove. I already disconnected the wiring, so let's just cross the wiring back so that we can remove it. This is a very nice car, guys. Very nice. But it does need some TLC, which we're gonna be addressing. All right, the wiring has been crossed. Now it's good. We can start by unbolting it from the hinges. I'm gonna leave the hinges where they're at. We're gonna unbolt it from the hinges from the door. And the door is off. Now let's put the doors on some stands and start putting everything on the other door. Also, I'm going to be replacing all these rubber seals. I have them right here. Everything is going to be replaced so that it can close and seal properly. Let me show you a couple of other things, guys. Right there, right there. So this car does need a paint job before it starts really creating a big mess. So we are gonna be doing that. I hope you stick around for this project Have a couple of other cars in front of this one, so this is gonna be in a little later date. But if you want to see it, subscribe to the channel so that you can see this one. Can't wait to start on it. I love these cars. They are beautiful cars. Beautiful, beautiful. He is doing engraving on all of it. He is gonna do engraving, but going little by little, which that's the way it needs to be. All right, let me continue with the door. All right, before we even started assembling, I need to do a little polishing, a little buffing, so that this car can, well, this door can look at the best. Still need one more pass. Let's just do it. There it is. Now, you might say, why are you putting much attention to the door if the car needs to be repainted? It has a bunch of blemishes. Well, the door doesn't. And this is what I do. I make sure everything goes the way it's supposed to. Even though the rest of the car needs some work, my part ain't gonna need work. So there it is. Now if you think I only did the wool pad, you might say you didn't do a correct job. You needed the other step. Yeah, I did. I did the other 2 steps. All right, there's the other one. So door's good. Let's start assembling it. First of all, we're going to replace the trim with brand new clips. We removed it from this door, installed some brand new clips, and replaced it on the new door. Placed it on the new door. There we go. Next, we're going to be removing all this seal. It's brand new. We're going to replace it. So we're going to be replacing, or we're going to be removing the door handle, which is right there. Here it is. 2 little bolts. Just remove them. Comes off. This piece right here goes inside right there. All right, about 95% of the parts have been transferred to the new door. All I need is the glass. I did install that little corner glass, but I need the actual window glass and install it. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just install the door back. And after everything has been put back, there it is. Paint matched perfectly. Nice. Now, can't wait for this car to come and we can fix all those little issues that the car has. But as per the door, good to go. This is gonna be it, guys, for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, let me know again what color you want to see that Nissan, that hard body Nissan. All right, thank you very much. Like always, have a great weekend, have a great week, and God bless.